Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In one of our earliest videos, we have said that we'll be writing a book for the study material for the DFCCIL for the operations and business development on the topic of marketing and the customer relation management. So we are happy to announce that we have completed the book and the book is ready for release. So I'll share with you some of the important contents of the book. Like if you see, the introduction of the book is like the book primarily focuses on the topics of marketing and the customer relation management from an organizational perspective. So this book has been prepared as a study material for the aspirants preparing for the management jobs and especially for the DFCCIL. So the overall the book has been divided into three parts, with the part 1 concentrating on management, part 2 on the CRM, and the part 3 which consists of the previous questions from the DFCCIL exam. So if you see the contents of the part 1 of the book, which is on the marketing, there are a total of 15 chapters, ranging from like chapters on management, marketing concepts, and strategic marketing, the process involved in the marketing, the environment of the market, the consumer behavior which influences the market, the business markets, how the segmentation of market is done, and the positioning of the market, the product and the branding, how you will brand your organization and the products and the related pricing to it, how you promote the products, and then what is a marketing channel, that is a distribution channel, and then finally some of the MCQs on this marketing topic. So this is the part 1 of this book. Now if you move ahead and move to the part 2, which is on the CRM, which is the customer relation management, there are a total of 70 chapters which we have included in this book. So the chapter 1 is some of the definitions related to the customer relation management. The chapter 2 is on the different models of CRM and the different schools, which tells us about the different CRM concepts. Then what exactly is the customer relation and associated things, then how you will calculate the customer value, the process that is involved and the importance of the customer acquisition, then the customer retention, and how you develop the customer base, and then moving ahead with the different types of CRM, starting with the strategic CRM, what are the sources of the customer value and how you gain them, and how the customer experiences influences the strategy that you are applying in the CRM. Then moving ahead to the operational CRM, which is another type of CRM. So here we'll be concentrating on the SFA, which is the Salesforce automation, and how you will apply that for the marketing automation, and also how you can provide the automation in the services which you are providing. Then the third type of CRM, which is the analytical CRM. Here in this we will be discussing about how the analytics of the customer data can be taken for better CRM process, which is the chapter 15th. Then how you will implement the CRM, and then finally the chapter 17 concludes with the some of the practice MCQs on this CRM. So this is the part 2, and then the part 3, which is the previous questions from DFCCIL. We have covered the 2016 and 2018 papers, which are a total of 37 questions. So now coming to the important topic, like the pricing of the book. So the book has total of approximately 134 pages, covering the topics from marketing and the CRM. The book is initially priced for rupees 199. So anyone who is want to purchase the book, they can write an email to us, and then we'll be delivering the soft copy to them. You can write an email to us at our email address, which is the helptoachieve@gmail.com. A preview of the book link is also there in the description. You can have a preview where we are sharing 2 chapters from this book and some of the practice MCQs. The link is there in the description for preview. So just write an email if you want to purchase this study material to our email ID, which is the helptoachieve.com. So if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.